we are going to talk about Profectus Capital Loan Against Property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Profectus Capital Loan Against Property. Applicant age should be between 23 years to 55 years. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 25 lakh to 5 crore for manufacturer and 25 lakhs to 1.50 crore for trader. Tenure will be 5 years to 10 years for residential, commercial and up to 9 years for industrial. Login fees will be 6,500. Rate of interest will be 13.75% to 14.50% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 10 days for sanction and disbursement within 3 days after submission. Insurance charges will be 1% to 4%. Foreclosure charges will be up to 24 months is 5%, 36 months is 4%. Processing fees will be 1.50% plus GST. Part payment is not allowed. Products are fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial and industrial purchase, action purchase, seller BT plus top-up. Lock-in period is 12 months. Business vintage should be 3 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Profectus Capital Loan Against Property: 100% LTV for commercial and residential and 90% for industrial. 125% projected income is also considered of last 3-year average income. All type of cash income is taken. Location is 150 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are politician, NRI, real estate, applicant living in dominated area, gym, advocate, jewelers, share traders, liquor seller, salaried applicant. Negative properties are GPA property, demolition list property, bacha flat, property in dominated area. No specific products for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-month salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration, copy of MSME registration, copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.